Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the very popular Shiro Neko token. Ticker symbol is Shiro. Now this token is trending #1 right now on DEX Screener in the Ethereum section. This token here just got a ton of brand new big central exchange listings. It's up over 10 million% in the past 24 hours, according to DEX Screener. Gigantic market cap and 24-hour trading volume. Token just came out 19 hours, 59 minutes ago. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed on a bunch of central exchanges today. So today is December 3rd. So this morning they got listed on Lbank. They got listed on Bitmart. Deepcoin, it looks like. They have here Ourbit and Mexc Global. Now I just put a new referral code for Ourbit down there in the description box. This is a new central exchange, and they call it the Central Exchange for Degens. And it looks like it's got a lot of big coins being listed on there, like Barsic just got listed on there, the Hasbula Cat token, and then the Shiro Neko token this morning here. And then Mexc Global, I have a referral code for that in the description box as well. So if you wanted to get this new, very popular Shiro Neko token, a couple different ways to get it. You could either go right through that Ourbit or Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SHIRO, and then simply just buy the token. Now I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here, at Shiro, real easy to find that. Blue verified checkmark, 96 posts, 56,600 Twitter followers, has a link to their Telegram right there, has a link to their webpage, and the contract address. So all the links you're going to need are going to be right there. And just a couple days ago on Mexc Global, the baby Shiro Neko token also got listed on there. So if you're looking for the baby version or the normal version, you can get both Shiros off Mexc Global. So this token here, their Telegram at Shiro_community has 18,066 subscribers. And you can preview the channel before joining. And then their webpage is shironeko.gg, and you can go over there for more information. And this token is doing amazing here. Right now, they have a market cap of $385 million, and then we have a 24-hour trading volume of $74.6 million. Just today, they had 19,702 transactions, and they have $2.5 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap. And according to DEX Screener, 99.79% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Trending #1 right now on DEX Screener, just came out 20 hours ago. They have here 356.8 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 3.3 trillion pooled Shiro tokens. So if you go over to their webpage, shironeko.gg, you're going to find some links in the corner there. It's pretty funny. Your mouse cursor turns into a remote. So you can see Shiro Neko watching TV, and he is watching that Mad Money show where the guy talks about stocks. stonks. And then they have the Telegram and the Twitter in the corner of the screen there. They also have a little sidebar here. Click on that and it has home, episodes, how to buy, tokenomics, and frequently asked questions. So who is Shiro Neko? Well, Shiro Neko, a white cat, and that's what it means in Japanese, is a white cat translated, is embarking on a journey to prove himself in the crypto sphere. Under the mentorship of the legendary Shiba Inu, Shiro learns the ways of the blockchain, striving to build his own legacy with Shiro. What chains is Shiro Neko on? Well, Shiro Neko is launched on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, you could also do that. You could see that the contract address is real easy to find right there. Basically, all you'd have to do is, first of all, you would fund you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You could use a Coinbase wallet, MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. You'd fund that wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Once you funded your wallet with ETH, you'd go into the dApps, you'd find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the Shiro Neko token using the contract address you could find right there on that Twitter. And it says 0% buy and sell tax, so you will not have to set slippage. Besides that, you will have to pay some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. And there may be other big central exchange listings coming as well. We'll have to stay tuned, see how well this token does in the future. If it continues to do well, maybe we'll see some more partnerships, some more token listing announcements, memes, all that fun stuff. And that's why it's a good idea to follow the Twitter and the Telegram. So it says, fair launch, 100% of the tokens in the LP, total supply, 1 quadrillion Shiro tokens. It's hard to say if all the central exchange information gets listed right away on these chart sites, or if it's just from decentralized exchange listings, but it says they have 6 different liquidity providers right now in Uniswap. And 12,153 holders. I mean, this is going to fluctuate like crazy because of how popular this token is right now. It's going to be all over the place, the price and the statistics. So just be aware of that. You can find them on Etherscan. And then if you want to see the chart and the price, go over to Dex Tools, Dex Screener. 18 decimal places on this token. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Shiro Neko? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Ourbit and Mexc global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.